Hey everyone, so I'm going to do an unboxing. Actually, I'm going to do a large haul. I'm going to do individual reviews on this here. That'll be an individual review, but I'm going to do a haul video on everything here besides this. I'm going to open that last. But I got stuff from the flea market today. I also got some stuff in the mail, so I'm going to show you what I got today. Now this box I waited over a month for. The seller did not, unfortunately, ship the item early. I waited like about 6 weeks for this package to come in. Finally it's here. It's a long time ago I bought this, so finally it's here. And it's in a bag. All the cards are wrapped up individually. So I'm going to show you everything I got today. Okay, this is the Ryura LX. It's Mazda RX-7. Get this out of here. Bonsai VW Bug. Dirty Outlaw. I think this is the Viper, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Viper. Yeah, I think there might be a car missing from here, but that's okay. If that is the case, it's fine by me. This is a Maisto Police. What is in here?